I mean, so you want to start working out. So you want to start getting better. You want to better yourself into doing something that's totally great. I understand that. The one thing you have to really focus on is what do you want to do? Like, what is your fitness goal? Okay, so you got to pick out a fitness goal. Whether it's you want to bulk up, whether you want to tone down, get skinny, lean. You have to really put those things in perspective because some of the stuff in that, way is it's the key points to you to drive you to get to where you want to be. So if you pick your fitness goal, whether it's bulking, okay, you're gonna be more focusing on getting a little bit more bigger and not lean. Okay, you need big, yoked up. It's a different feel. Okay. Now if you want to be lean, okay, you have to really think about like what you eat. It's more key factors once you pick a specific goal that you want to reach. It's not always about, okay, I'm gonna go to the gym almost every day and I'm gonna get big. I mean, true, that can be true, but there's many other key aspects. Okay, so number one thing is you gotta pick a goal and stick to that goal, because once that goal goes through your mind, you'll have it in your head like, okay, look, I know exactly what I want to do, whether it's working out or going to sleep. That's what it is. So next thing you know, do that. It kind of gets to a total. All right, what can I do? What is it that I have to do to reach this goal? Okay, get toned, get lean, or to get stronger, or just train for strength. Okay, so you have to really look at those things. Pick a goal, and then after that, you just look for the key factors. Okay, the key factors are what's going to push you. The second thing you're going to look for is a schedule. Okay, the schedule is a thing that people don't understand. Okay, it's more like a routine that goes around your work, your school ethics. Whether you have a family, you have kids, whether you have a job that wants you, they're 24/7 or something like that. You know what I'm saying? It's basically a schedule. So, what time of the day are you going to work out and work on your fitness goal? Whether it's going to be 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. Okay. Now, I'm not saying you don't have to work out for 1 hour. You can work out for at least 25 minutes, or it could be 7 minutes a day. Okay. Now, for those who are really serious about it, I'll recommend working out for at least an hour to get used to doing it. Now, for those that have been doing it and don't know why they're not getting results, it's more of you're not setting a good schedule. Okay, you don't have a set schedule, you don't have a set routine, and the routine just falls all apart. It's all jumbo. It's not good. It's more of you trying to get things done, out of balance instead of just flowing. Because when you have so much going on all at once, and I can relate. Let's just say you're in college and you have tests on every week. You have homework assignments due every week. You have to go to work at, let's say, like at 7 p.m. to work overnight. Or you got to work at 5 a.m. in the morning and then you got a class right afterwards. So then you got practice at like 3 p.m. Those scenarios. So you have to really pick out an hour of the day to do. I'm not saying just an hour. Remember, keep this in mind. You can at least work out for 25 minutes. Just 25. It's not even an hour. There's 24 hours in a day. I'm pretty sure you can squeeze in 25 minutes of your time to work out and get that done. That's the thing. Because, if you're on a tight schedule, try to start small and then work your way up. If you're just starting and you don't have nothing to do, then you can pretty much just go with the flow. Meaning, if you don't know what you're doing, okay, I understand. Like, just take your time, learn the techniques, learn your schedule first. I'll learn your schedule first. Mostly, it's all about the schedule. It's all about like how much time and effort you're gonna put into it. Okay? It's never usually about how much you put in, but it's always about a set routine. If you don't have this set routine, it's going to fall apart. You may not see it, but it will fall apart eventually and hit your face. But dang, like I wish I would have had more organized schedule. So point being with the schedule, the routine, be organized about your time. Because usually everyone doesn't want to don't want to waste no time at all. They don't want to waste no time. They don't want to sit there and not do the things they want to do. Last but not least, the exercise. So you have to know what exercise that you're going to be doing. And that is another key factor that I keep seeing, say key factor, but just know what you're gonna be doing in the gym, okay? Because that ties in with the schedule. Ties in with the schedule. And when you go to the gym or when you're about to go home and work out, okay, know what you're doing. Know exactly what you're gonna do. If it's gonna be squats, push-ups, or you're gonna be sprinting, jump ropes, whether it's okay, what about yoga? You wanna do yoga, okay, fine. Okay, or just do push-ups. You start with the basics. Okay, you get I'll put a scenario, okay? You get home from a long day, okay, and you're tired. I get it. You know, you get up at 5 o'clock p.m., okay? And you're ready to go home, eat, sleep, whatever it is. Keep in mind, you have to do this workout. Otherwise, you're not going to reach your fitness goal. Remember, it doesn't have to be an hour. It can be at least 25 minutes. At least 25 minutes to work out. Okay, so with your exercises, it can be push-ups. Do like 20 push-ups. The basic 20 push-ups is not okay. If you can't do a push-up, try one. Do one the next day. Do okay, but then you want to add in more workouts as you go. Because when you add stuff into your workouts, as you keep flowing with that, you're going to get more excited and put an urgency to get the workout done. You want to do more. You want to add more things. You're going to get more creative with what you put there. Yeah. And then with my scenario, you know, basically when I get home, you know, at least try to pipe push-ups because my fitness goal is to do more calisthenics, do more calisthenic movements, like a handstand push-up, whether it's a pike push-ups, but more of like going into a pike position and going into the handstand push-up, where I can do handstand push-ups, which is awesome. To me, that's awesome. That's what I want to do. That's one of the fitness goals that I want to do. That's just an example. Now, if you're a person that is interested in calisthenics, I have many stores that I can actually that you can look at. Use that as a reference because mainly I've been doing muscle ups. My other goal is to actually get more stronger with the other calisthenic movements. But I already got stronger. But point being, exercise. Okay, that we're gonna reflect this. So you're gonna pick a fitness goal, you're gonna pick your schedule, you're gonna pick your exercises. It's very simple. Picking the fitness goal will help reach your goal more better because you'll have an idea of what you want to achieve, and then your schedule is more of something that can organize the way that you reach that goal, where it won't be unbalanced and not doable. Now your exercises, if you learn your exercises, then you know exactly what to do and to actually build more muscle, to get more strength out of it.